How to repair corrupted MS Word file. Looking for an instant solution to repair corrupt MS Word documents. In this video, we'll describe how you can recover highly corrupted MS Word files in a few seconds. The MS Word is a very useful application and widely used to make documents. But, sometimes due to certain reasons the Word files get corrupted. Some common reasons why Word files get corrupted. Doc file can also be corrupted because of following reasons. Virus infections on a particular drive. Abrupt system shutdown when MS Word program is opened. Accidental crash in hard drive. The sudden cancellation of the program while saving the file. Hardware or software malfunction. Recovering the Word file can be a challenging task, however, with the SysInfoTools Word Repair Tool you can recover the highly corrupted Word files easily. You can recover single as well as multiple files at a time. Important features of the tool. Completely repairing Word file, the tool recovers and saves the corrupt Word file in a few seconds. It can recover important data like images, text, hyperlinks, etc. The tool works in safe mode and recovers corrupt files without any data alteration. It is compatible with all versions of MS Word. Maintains data integrity. Bulk recovery. A user can recover multiple Word files at one time. It is compatible with all versions of Windows. Working of the tool. Download the tool. We have given the download link in the description. Now run the tool. Select multiple files option. Click on the Add Files button to add the desired files. Once the files are added, click Next. Select the Browse button to select the path to save the repaired files. Then click OK. The selected destination will be shown. Now click on the Save button. A recovery process will start. Wait until the process gets completed. Once the process gets completed, click OK. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments, and we hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.